Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Hope you are well. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove connected apps and sites from Google account. So let's go. First of all, you have to go to your Play Store. Then click on your Google account. Then click on your Manage your Google account. Then go to Data and Privacy and scroll down. You can see here delete a Google service. Click here. If you want to remove connected apps and sites from your Google account, you have to click on this delete option. After clicking this delete option, your apps and sites will be removed from Google account. So guys, that's it. You can do it. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.